Hey, so this is a synth. Wow, that sounded too much like a game show prize voice. Anyways, so yeah, this is a little synth I made. Wanted to show you guys. Um, I wanted to make a synth before, but the other ways I've seen people making synths were by using these timer ICs or these guys called 7555s, and they wound up tuning each one to a particular frequency, so you'd have like 8 for 8 different notes. I didn't want to build one like that because I'm kind of lazy like that, and didn't want to have to go through all the math, so wound up just using a multiplexer with standard resistor values from 120k and below to make a sort of Phrygian scale. You'll see what I mean soon enough by the whole sort of deal. So yeah, I'll just give you a quick tour of the circuit. Got the 2 timer ICs there and there. This top guy's main one, he's tuned at like 1 kilohertz. This guy down below is for the 4-bit counter at the back over here. And this guy's tuned at somewhere between 1 to 2 hertz. Has a little potentiometer down here to speed up the pulses. And the extra capacitor here is just like a low pass to smooth out the output of the oscillator and make the overall output louder. So, this guy, momentary switch. I'll tell you what he's about in a moment. Whoops, wire came out. Yeah. Anyways, there's the mux in the back, multiplexer. Can see if I can focus in. Sorry about the video quality. As you can guess, this is all from a phone. So, yeah. There's a multiplexer for the different notes. There's an empty slot in the mux because the empty slot actually produces the octave note, which is nice because each resistor wound up lowering the pitch. Outside from that, there's another mux that mostly controls the lights, as well as kind of patched over to arcade buttons to play the synth out, in case if you don't want the sequence. And that's what the switch guy is for, to switch back and forth between the two. That was redundant. So, anyways, this is what it sounds like. Beautiful, right? But yeah. So, you see now what I mean by sort of Phrygian scale. It's like, for the most part, you could tell it's a sequence, a series. So yeah, you could pitch it up. That's cool, because with the potentiometer and speeding it up, when it gets stuck like that, there's still a little headroom for the potentiometer to move to its peak, and by like twiddling around in that area, you get a little like pitch bend type deal, which sounds pretty cool. But that's nothing major. I don't know. That's just me. And yeah. And here I'll show you the whole like playing deal. Gotta stop right on the note. So if you don't stop right on the note, then you're just left with, or rather contained to working with the particular note you stopped on, along with the notes of higher pitch beyond that. So yeah. So yeah, that's my pathetic excuse for a Phrygian scale. Make it not so annoying. Let me just turn it off. So yeah, that's a little synth. You could win this if the price is right. But no. So, hope you enjoyed that little presentation or whatever. And maybe it gives you ideas, whatnot. If you're interested in building something like this, it's not that hard to do, and it's not that expensive. So, if you just like look online for basic electronic stuff, and then if you just follow the data sheets of each of these different ICs, if you just search up the name of the IC followed by data sheet on Google, it'll bring you the data sheet and show you like the connections there, give you ideas for other setups maybe. So yeah, let me know what you think, and see you around.
Peace.